chia seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, has gained significant attention in recent years due to their impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefits. These tiny seeds, often referred to as a superfood, are rich in essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and various vitamins and minerals. This article explores the medical benefits of chia seeds, supported by scientific evidence. Nutritional profile: chia seeds are packed with nutrients. Just 2 tablespoons 28 grams contain approximately 137 calories, 9 grams of fat, primarily omega-3 fatty acids, 12 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of dietary fiber, 4 grams of protein, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. This nutrient density makes chia seeds a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Heart health: one of the most notable benefits of chia seeds is their positive impact on heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, have been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher ALA intake was associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular disease (CVD). Participants who consumed more omega-3 fatty acids had a significantly reduced risk of heart attacks and strokes. Digestive health: chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which plays a critical role in digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Research published in the journal Nutrients indicates that increased fiber intake can improve gut health, support weight management, and lower the risk of developing gastrointestinal disorders. Weight management: the high fiber content in chia seeds can also aid in weight management. Studies have shown that fiber-rich foods can promote satiety, helping individuals feel full longer. A study in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that participants who consumed chia seeds as part of a weight loss diet experienced greater weight reduction compared to those who did not. The seed's ability to absorb liquid and expand in the stomach may contribute to this effect. Bone health: chia seeds are a rich source of calcium, necessary for maintaining strong bones and teeth. They also contain phosphorus, magnesium, and protein, all of which are essential for bone health. A review published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism highlighted the importance of these nutrients in preventing osteoporosis and supporting overall bone density. Anti-inflammatory properties: chia seeds possess anti-inflammatory properties that may benefit individuals suffering from chronic inflammation-related conditions. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that chia seeds could reduce markers of inflammation in the body. The antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help combat oxidative stress, further supporting their anti-inflammatory effects. Conclusion: chia seeds are a powerful superfood that offers multiple health benefits, backed by scientific research. From promoting heart health and aiding digestion to supporting weight management and enhancing bone health, incorporating chia seeds into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to improve overall well-being. As with any dietary change, it's essential to consume chia seeds in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Consider adding these tiny seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods to harness their remarkable health benefits.